Pawpaw, Sammy, and Alley bug here. This morning, I made my first harvest on my honey. And the reason I didn't make the recording, it rained all day yesterday and all night last night, and it was a heck of a mess. So I got out here early this morning, pulled all the honey out of 3 keeps, and come back and brought all the frames out here for my bees to clean up for me. Saves me a lot of trouble. Well, long story short, I wound up with right at 60 pounds of honey off 2 keeps, which is 2 honey keeps, which is not bad at all. And I just brought everything back, set it out here, and they're cleaning it up. Tomorrow I will get all this back up and get it put back together. In the meanwhile, like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.